water, pure air is there, and we have forest. These much of resources are there. But what about future? Whatever we are getting today, tomorrow also we should get. Tomorrow in the sense after 100 years, 200 years. Whatever practice if we are doing, which is okay to keep the 5 elements. What are the 5 elements of nature? You know that these 5 elements should be in same state after 100 years also. If it is same and if it is okay, then it is called sustainable mining. So mechanical engineers and robotics, civil engineers, maximum they deal with materials. We will be bringing new material to the invention. When bringing new material, where we are bringing from the soil. All the minerals and materials are bought up from the soil. When we are mining, what should be done, what should not be done. So these things I will be discussing in today's class. 5 components are there. Sustainable efficiency, sustainability in environment, sustainability in economics, safety and community. So this much of things you should concern when you are mining. If you are mining along with this 5 concern, then it is called sustainable mining. It should meet present need without compromising the future's damage. So present also, whatever mining you are doing, it should be safe. Future also it should be safe. Then minimizing environmental damage, well-being for economic viability. Now what are the 3 pillars of sustainability is, first one, it should be environmental sustainable. Then second thing is economic sustainability. Sir, I am mining some mineral, but it cost, for getting 1 kg of material, it cost around 1 crore rupees. Is it sustainable? No. It is called economic sustainability. Sir, I am doing one practice. You will be sending some signals, some electromagnetic signal. That signal will touch the ground surface and it will reflect back into another area. See, if you tap a metal, one kind of sound will come. If you tap a plate, another kind of vibration will come. Every material has a unique frequency. So if they send the wave, according to the type of material, the wave reflection will be different. These are identified by physicists. So when they try to reflect some wave, it will be diverted and reaching a different time period. So if you are having this metal, the sound will travel quickly. The same sound, if I tap in a wood, it will not make sound. The vibration will not pass there quickly. So according to the wavelength, they will identify. What they will do is, certain people will blast the soil, then they will get the minerals. Imagine coal. Sir, I am having coal at 300 feet. How you are mining the coal? Are you blasting that and you are getting the resources? That is one part. Are you mining in the sense, are you drilling holes? You can drill holes and take that particular material only and you can stop the drill. Social sustainability. Tomorrow they will say that near KR market you have uranium. How much uranium is there? 20 metric tons of uranium is available. Uranium is costly. Will they immediately evacuate all the people who are living in KR market? It is not possible. It is in city center. Even though if you have a greater mineral, the government will not give you authority. The people can think that, sir, I am buying a land. In my land there is a uranium or gold is available. If you are taking and if you are selling, you will be caught under a law. Sir, this is my land. I am taking my soil, my minerals, etc. In the sense, government has given you the place only to construct. Even though if you are having a tree, sandalwood tree, you cannot grow sandalwood tree in your place. So like that, even though this is your place, if you want to take that and if you want to sell, means there is a law amendment for that. So like that, even though the social sustainability has to be checked. What kind of people you are evacuating? So these things I will discuss in detail. Now when I say about mining, what are the types of minings are available? Sustainable mining is our today's class. What are the types of mining is? First thing is underground mining. They will dig deep below the ground and they will take all the resources. What are the minerals they will be taking is gold, silver, coal, diamond, copper, iron. But you will get gold in surface level also. For this kind of mineral, coal are available like this. Coal can be Extracted from surface, coal can be extracted below the earth. So these are the metals. Gold, platinum and diamond are available in this placer mixer method. You can take that. Other materials, and finally uranium, copper, gold. I have told you uranium. This type of mining is called in situ mining. In situ mining is you will be digging a bore at that place and then you will be extracting that mineral and you will be selling. That is called in situ mining. Like that you have 4 types of mining. First key concept is environmental responsibility. There are cement industries where they are getting raw material for cement industries. Cement is the second most resources which is being consumed by human than water. After water, humans consume cement for construction purpose, etc. What is the major thing or major mineral required to manufacture cement? Limestone. Limestone is a mineral they will blast. Till now they are blasting. If you go around Mysore Road, there are number of cement industries are there. If you go around Ramnagara, what they will do is when they are blasting that, the dust will be spreading around the places. What they will do, they will keep a van like this, they will be sprinkling water. Have you seen this? So whenever they are constructing road also, they will be doing this kind of sprinkling water. So like this they have to do. Environmental responsibility. Whoever is mining, if the cement industry is mining, they are responsible for not polluting the air. When they blast, air pollution happens. So they are responsible for that. Proper management of waste during mining should be done. Next thing is economic efficiency. When extracting the mineral, you should not spend crores and crores of rupees in order to gain the mineral. If you want to get some mineral means you should take some sample. How they will be taking sample is, currently there is a GPS technology available. Wherever you have coal, from the GPS, from satellite, the images are taken with high resolution images. GPS high resolution images are used to identify a mineral. Sir, if gold is available at a particular place, how will you identify? By using satellite itself, by imaging process, you can identify the color of metal. Every mineral has a unique color, yes or no? That color can be interpreted using color sensing techniques. Number of robotics and automation projects can be done. Each and every class I can give 1 or 2 examples. This is one of the projects also you can do. Through satellite, you take an image, every color and every material has a unique color. So what kind of resources are there? You don't need to go there, you don't need to blast, you don't need to drill anything. By using a simple image, you can tell how much of resources is available. Currently what they are using is a pond. You take a pond, you take a river. They will say the kilometer of a river. In India, what is the largest river? Ganga. Ganga is the largest river. Largest lake. I have told that in Thiruvananthapuram you have a lake, largest lake. Who has measured that lake? They are saying 2800 kilometer of length is that lake. Who has measured? Does anyone kept a tape and keep on measuring? No. They will be only taking image from the satellite. Through that satellite, they know the angle, so the distance can be measured automatically by the computer. Like that, water resources, forest. In first module, I have told that how much forest is available. Who has measured the forest? Using GPS technology. They can see that the color, the density, then by that they can sense that. Like that, you have economic efficient kind of identification. These techniques are available only now, not before 50 years, not before 60, 70 years. So when you are mining, you should be keep an eye on economic efficiency also, encourage recycling and reusing of the minerals. Next thing, social responsibility. This is what I told. Sir, even though you have a very important mineral, if the people are living in a dense, you cannot occupy that place. The people will protest. Sir, a nuclear power plant they are installing. People will immediately protest. Why? Because it damages the environment around. If you are operating the nuclear power plant, it damages your surrounding. Hence, they will stop. Because of what? social responsibility. More than mineral, people are important. So people is the primest most. So you have to skip your mineral or mining project to the another place. So that is what called social responsibility. Also fair compensation has to be made. Fair compensation means, imagine your house, nearby your house or above your house are highways going to come. After 50 years they are planning, you think. What the government will do is, the government will give a land rate. Government rate will be very, very less. Market price is different. When you are buying a property, there are two price. Understand? For a land, government provided price is there. Another thing is market price. Any seller will not give you in government price. They will take the land and they will give government price. That means the person who purchased the land will be purchased for 15 lakhs. The government will give 5 lakhs and occupy that place. The government will say that I have given you the money according to our norms. That is called fair compensation. You should give the compensation in the responsible manner for indigenous people. Indigenous people means local people. Yes. Next thing is technological innovation. This I have told. What equipment you are using, operation conditions, optimum technology has to be used. This is what I have told you. These are the images from GPS. If coal is available, you can identify in this dark color. Whatever is blue is called water. Like that, this kind of satellite image processing is there. By that image processing, identify this. Last one is rehabilitation. After mining, what you should do is, if you have evacuated the people from that place, that people has to be given with rehabilitation, another compensation of a house. And before mining, during mining, after mining, you see the land has to be reclaimed to the earlier state. There might be a forest. You might be mining that. After mining, you have to close that site and it should be again a forest. So this is called rehabilitation for environment also. When does Mining Act first initiated is 1952. In sustainable mining, when does mining started is 1952. Then Air Prevention Act, you see the Mining Act and the resources whenever you are using, latest act was regarding sustainable mining guidelines 2020. So they are keep on refining the uses. So this is regarding government guidelines. National mineral policy. For mining, you have latest policy development for mining was amended in 2019. So this focuses on zero waste mining. During a mining, there should be no waste generation, that is zero waste, mine closure and rehabilitation, use of renewable energy, etc. Next thing is a case study. This case study I have taken Sandur. To have iron ore and manganese mining which is happening from 1907, not today, yesterday, from 1907, more than 20 years. But in 2011, the Supreme Court of India has said that sustainable practice is not followed. The Supreme Court has given amendment that to stop mining from 2011. Why? Because they have not adopted sustainable mining. What are the things they have mined in Bellary district? They have mined iron ore and manganese. This is the exact image I have taken from that place. And what is sustainable practice which they have to do is environmental measure. Before that, the place was a forest place, but during mining it got afforestation. So during that, what they should have done is, you should pick some species. See, if you are mining some place, first you should check what are the kinds of trees and plants are available. You have to pick a tree called sample tree and you have to grow in your own place. This is in which place? The person who is mining, no? That person is going to destroy all the forest. So he should take a seed and he should take a plant. That plant has to be grown in a particular place. This is called biodiversity management. Not only a plant, not only a tree, if any animals, birds, or the environmental species, whatever is there, he should take a sample and adopt. After mining process is done, it should be reclaimed to a forest with that same seed and the same animal. So this has to be done. This is called environmental measures. See, this is an afforestation. In how much area they have done afforestation is 808 hectares of land in Devadari area. That deforestation has happened. What compensation they should do? They are going to mine 808 hectares of area. That means that same area has to be made as a forest in some other place. That has to be made in sustainable practice. And again, soil erosion. If they are mining at a place, they should build like this. Why does landslide happen is there will be no blocks. These are called retaining walls. The land will not slide, so it will be stopped by this retaining wall. Like this, any mining should be having this kind of retaining wall, and there should be a stopper here. There should be a embankment in order to stop the minerals passing over this place. Technological innovation, they have to deploy. When they are mining, they have to deploy this kind of water sprinkling. And have you seen the sprinkler? The mining place should be sprinkled so that the air will not pollute. Water is sprinkled, automatically the dust particles will settle. So this kind of things should be done. In technological innovation, wherever particularly you are blasting the surface mine, if you are doing, you have to do this process. Water and waste management. During mining, that waste water will be taken away. That waste water should be kept with a pond. This is called settling tank. It should be settled here. This waste should not be mingled with groundwater. You are mining magnesium or iron ore. It will be taken, the iron ore will be spreaded around, and if a rain comes, that iron and manganese will be taken and it will be settled in a pond or in a river. What it will happen? Immediately the people will consume. You are taking the mineral that will be diluted in the water. That water will be used by the people. So you have to keep this kind of structure for settling tank. The water should not go out of the place. That is the measure. Next thing is community and social responsibility. Those who are working in mines, they will be giving free treatment, medical treatment. They will be giving schools for those who are working in the place. If you are joining in any mining company, these things will be there. So this Sandur place, they have given community health center. When they are using this retaining wall, the landslide will not happen and coir mat is being laid. Have you seen this? The land will not slide. When they are mining, they will be heaping. Whatever minerals are mined will be heaped. That heap should not get a landslide and coir mat will be laid in order to stop the landslide. Yes. This is energy management. You should not use non-renewable energy. Everything should be renewable energy. Solar power panels for all their uses, and they are having water conservation and treatment. They have this kind of report. This is available in online. You can use it for your reference. In sustainable mining, the concept of social sustainability mainly refers to ensure safe working conditions and community welfare. Yes. What are the three pillars of sustainable mining? See. Sustainable mining differs from conventional mining mainly because it integrates economic, social and environmental concern. The next one, which of the following mineral often faces sustainability concern due to unethical mining practice? Tin, tantalum, yes. Conflict minerals. Mine reclamation is best described as, what do you mean by mine reclamation? B or D? B. Restoring land to the natural condition after mining. Next one. Which of the following organization promotes responsible mining globally? B is what? International Council for Mining and Metals. Next one. The use of bioremediation in mining refers to? Bio is microorganisms. Yes. Indian law that emphasizes 1957. This was the first law of practice we have done. Next thing. Which of the following best describes green mining? What do you mean by green mining? Only renewable resources. B is what? Mining with low environmental footprint and efficient resources. Last one. Which type of energy is used in mining supports sustainability most? Solar, wind power, please.